Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be, I always say and today, oh my god. Before we get started in this video, I just want to say that yesterday's video was a lot of chattiness, and, oh wait, this video might not go up today, so the other day's video was a lot of chattiness. I just want to explain my life a little bit, and it was kind of boring actually, because I get boring when I just talk a lot. So, that's why this video is got to be just talking. And if you hate Nutella, don't watch this video because I don't want to hear it. Okay, so as you can tell by the title, we are going to be making Nutella cookies. Woo! Okay, I just want to point out real quick that my hair is so frizzy. I apologize. It is like messy. Continue. Okay, I love Nutella. I'm sorry. And it is a myth. Nutella does not give you cancer. So what you'll need is Nutella, obviously, all-purpose flour, and one egg. So we're going to be making this, and before we get started, we need to make sure we preheat our oven to 350. So here, quick preheat. Okay. Now that I preheated the oven, there was one more thing I gotta do. Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. So, after you did that, you go wishy-wash your hands. So I decided to change my hair to a bun because I do not like ponytails anymore. What is up with me with that? I don't know. Alright, so we're going to start out with 1 cup of flour. And the reason why I want to start with flour is because once we add the Nutella in the same cup we're going to measure, because it's all going to go to one place, it's just going to stick if I use Nutella first. And none of the, well, if I don't use the Nutella first, all of the flour will not stick and it will all go into the bowl. So we need to make sure we do that. I need to wash my hands. Don't worry. There goes the oven. I didn't record it because it's kind of hard to do that when you're recording on your phone. I don't even need to explain it anymore. And I don't need to hear you guys complain anyway because it's not like you're eating it. So you're just watching a video to see how to make it. So I got my 1 cup, but I'm going to put a little more in it after because, you know, girl, that was not the whole cup. So, no. Oh, it's a lot, it's a lot, it's a lot. Okay. Dude, I love baking, and I think that my channel is going to have a lot of different stuff. Baking, just random videos, and story times, and all that jazz. So, yeah. Okay, now I used my flour. Now I'm going on to Nutella. Why? Actually, no. We're gonna do the egg. We're gonna do the egg. So, egg. I crack it, and we're just gonna. Okay. So I attempted to make egg whites one time. That was a fail. Because the whole point of egg whites, no yolk in the, eggs. And yeah, I failed with that. I'm gonna hate this so much because you have to put it all in the cup. Make sure you measure it out right. And then once you got that all, then you gotta take it all back out. So I'm not gonna have any Nutella left after this. I'm glad to use what I have, but it was kind of already a fail, so it's okay. It's okay. I'll know next time that you will need, and just for you guys too, that if you ever plan to make this, you will need the whole jar of Nutella, since they're so small. I mean, I'm used to making peanut butter cookies, so I'm not used to having to not use the whole jar. But since, you know, it's so small of a jar. So make sure you get all of this Nutella out of the cup into the bowl. So we can mix. Spoon. Oh my god, it's like sticking to the spoon now. Oh my god. Just gonna warn you, Nutella is just like peanut butter. They're different. It still sticks like peanut butter, so, you know. So, I pretty much used that to make a mess now. Alrighty, so. So, this is what I got so far. Whoop. It's very clumpy. I added some water because it looks really dry. And I know it's not supposed to be runny because it's cookie dough. It's supposed to be doughy, but it looks a little too dry. So now I added water and mixed it a little bit more in. It looks a little bit better now. So we're going to continue mixing it, and then we're going to put it on a cookie tray. It's a little dark lighting in here, which I don't like, but because it's a window behind here, it's just going to make it all look like this. So I got a cookie tray, which is not really a cookie tray, but we have to go with what we got. So I'm just going to be putting the cookies onto the tray. And this is the messy part. Here we go. I wash my hands, but girl, you ain't eating it, so why does it matter anyway? So we're just gonna, oh my god, this is gonna be really messy. So, dark lighting, I'm so sorry, but here are my Nutella cookies. They need to cool, but there you go. That is how you make Nutella cookies. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, and I hope you guys will try this out and see how you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye!